Welcome to Review the Best by your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical travel backpack, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Travel Backpack, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best travel backpack from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. TomTalk Travel Backpack 40L. TSA-friendly flight-approved carry-on luggage, hand water-resistant, lightweight. Looking for the perfect travel companion? The TomTalk Travel Backpack 40L is a TSA-friendly, flight-approved carry-on built for smart travelers. With a spacious 38 to 40L capacity, this lightweight, water-resistant backpack features a large main compartment, a dedicated laptop section fits up to 17 inches, and multiple pockets to keep your gear organized and accessible. The suitcase-style opening makes packing and unpacking effortless, while the quick-sex front pocket lets you grab essentials on the go. Designed for comfort, it has 3D padded back support, ergonomic shoulder straps, and a chest buckle to reduce strain. Built with eco-friendly recycled fabric and durable YKK zippers, it's not just built to last, it's built to sustain. Whether you're navigating airports or exploring cities, the TomTalk Navigator T66 offers convenience, comfort, and style in one sleek package. Travel smarter, lighter, and greener with TomTalk. Number 2. SHRRADOO ExtraLarge 50L Travel Laptop Backpack with USB charging port, airline-approved work bag. Travel smarter and carry more with the Sherudo ExtraLarge 50L Travel Laptop Backpack. Perfect for work, school, or adventure, this airline-approved backpack features 20 independent pockets, 3 spacious compartments, and hidden organizers for all your essentials, from tech gear to travel accessories. Built for convenience, it includes a USB charging port with built-in cable and a password lock for added security. The U-shaped ventilation back design and breathable mesh shoulder straps offer maximum comfort on the go, while the rugged polyester material ensures long-lasting durability. It fits laptops up to 17 inches and unfolds 90 to 180 degrees for hassle-free TSA checks. Ideal for frequent flyers, whether you're heading to campus, commuting, hiking, or jet-setting, this 50L backpack has space for everything. Plus, with SHRRRADOO's 1-year quality promise, your satisfaction is guaranteed. Don't miss the perfect mix of function, comfort, and durability. Number 3. Loveoka 40L Large Travel Backpack for Women. Men, 17-inch carry for traveling on Airline approved. Travel with ease and style using the Loveoka 40L Large Travel Backpack, perfect for both men and women. Designed to meet most airline personal item size requirements, this TSA-friendly backpack fits easily under the seat or atop your luggage with its convenient strap. With a spacious 40L capacity and 4 main compartments, it holds everything you need for 3 to 5 days. Clothes, shoes, toiletries, a 17.3-inch laptop, and more. Included are 3 packing cubes to organize essentials like underwear, toiletries, and shoes, plus a separate wet or dry compartment and side pockets for bottles and umbrellas. Crafted from durable, waterproof polyester and reinforced with sturdy zippers and padded shoulder straps, it's built for comfort and reliability. The 180-degree box-style opening makes packing and security checks a breeze. Whether you're heading on a business trip or weekend getaway, this backpack is your all-in-one travel companion. Number 4. Tajir Travel Backpack for Women. Carry-on backpack with USB charging port and shoe pouch. Flight approved. Travel smarter and lighter with the Tajir Travel Backpack for Women, your stylish and functional carry-on companion. This airline-approved backpack is perfect for weekend getaways, business trips, or daily use. Designed with a built-in USB charging port, it lets you charge your phone conveniently on the go, power bank not included, with 3 roomy compartments and 9 interior pockets. It fits a 15.6-inch laptop, 12.9-inch iPad, clothes, shoes, water bottles, and more, keeping everything organized and within reach. Its 180-degree zipper design ensures easy TSA security checks, while padded straps and 2 grab handles allow you to carry it as a backpack or handbag. Water-resistant and lightweight, it's ideal for travel, work, or college. The included shoe pouch adds extra value, and the luggage strap makes it easy to attach to rolling suitcases. Whether you're a student, commuter, or frequent flyer, this backpack is a reliable must-have. Number 5. KROSER TISA Friendly Travel Laptop Backpack with 17.3-inch XL Computer Backpack, USB port for men or women. Stay organized and travel in style with the KROSER TSA Friendly Travel Laptop Backpack, designed for both men and women. This spacious 17.3-inch computer backpack is crafted from high-quality, water-repellent ballistic fabric, offering durability and protection wherever your journey takes you. With multiple compartments, it easily stores your laptop, tablet, clothes, power bank, A4 files, and more. The built-in USB port ensures convenient on-the-go charging. A hard-shell top pocket provides a safe space for sunglasses or your phone, while RFID blocking pockets protect your sensitive information. The airflow back padding and secret pocket ensure comfort and security, while the luggage strap allows you to easily attach it to your suitcase. Perfect for business trips, school, or everyday use, this 3.08-pound backpack combines functionality with sleek design. Whether you're commuting, flying, or exploring, the KROSER backpack is a dependable companion. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.